I usually drive faster. I love to drive fast. When you drive, you should be very careful. You should be careful not to drive too fast. Too fast means extremely fast. I should drive slowly, but in a slow lane. We have 2 lanes, slow lane, fast lane. You want to drive faster? Switch to fast lane. You want to drive slowly? You want to drive slowly? You should go to slow lane. Slow lane. Zip in and out of traffic. Zip in and out of traffic. It's a little dangerous. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't zip in and out of traffic. And some people tailgate. Some people or some drivers tailgate. You got to be careful. And full concentration. You should pay attention. And you shouldn't talk on the phone. You shouldn't talk to your friends. Focus on your driving. Focus on your driving. You need to drive with full concentration. You need to drive with full concentration. Now, my question is, do you usually drive fast? Do you usually drive slowly? When did you get your driving license? When did you get your driving license? Driving license. And you talk about your driving memories. If you want to take a road trip, you gotta be a very professional driver. You shouldn't get tired while driving. You can pull over to get some rest, take a break. It's a little hard to drive for a long time, long hours, all right? Long hours. Great.